Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can make a glass in TinkerCAD. So basically let's start the tutorial. So choose this purple cone and just place in the center, then select top radius. As you can see, you can make it a little bit bigger if you need to, then just select the angle how you want to your glass to be, and basically I will do something around that. Okay, and the height, let's make it a little bit higher. Now what we'll need to do is just click right like that, then click duplicate and repeat. And as you can see, you'll have two glasses right here. And now what we'll need to do is minimize it a little bit. Okay, and now just put it in the center. You can use align tool, but right now I will just use my eyes. So okay, it's kind of perfect, but for you I suggest to use basically align tool. And now what we need to do is basically take and choose a hole. Okay, not this one, but in the inside one, just select hole and make it a little bit higher. Okay, and now what we need to do is basically now you'll need to do is just select your mouse and click Union Group. And as you can see, you did made a glass in TinkerCAD. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.